Good morning, class. So, we were discussing about the budget. In previous classes, we've seen what is the meaning of budget, what is the meaning of government budget, what are the objectives of the government budget, and now we are discussing about the components of budget. Okay, how many components are of the budget? So, we have seen there are two component of budget. First is budget receipts and second one is budget expenditure. So first of all, we have started discussing about the budget receipts. So budget receipts refer to estimated money receipts of the government from all sources during a fiscal year. Yes, we have discussed about it in previous class. Also we have seen that these receipts means budget receipts again can be classified into two categories. First is revenue receipts and second one is capital receipts. Okay, again we have seen that revenue receipts can be classified in two parts: tax receipts and non-tax receipts. Okay, now we will discuss about the tax receipts. Okay beta, so a tax is compulsory payment to the government by the household, firms or other individual units. The taxpayer cannot expect any service or benefit from the government in return. Okay, here you will have to keep in mind that if you are paying tax, it doesn't mean that you will expect something in return from the गवर्नमेंट. ओके बेटा, सो टैक्स रिसीट्स वो रिसीट्स होती हैं जिनसे हमें टैक्स के फॉर्म में इनकम होती है. ठीक है, अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ टैक्सेस, कौन कौन से टाइप के टैक्स होते हैं. आई होप यहाँ तक आपको सारी चीज़ें क्लियर होगी. ये प्रीवियस क्लास में हम पूरा डिस्कस कर चुके थे. सो वी कैन क्लासीफाई द टैक्स in three main categories. First is progressive and regressive tax. Second is value added tax and specific tax. Value added tax is now merged in GST. And third one is direct and indirect tax. Okay beta. So first, what is the meaning of progressive tax? So a tax is said to be progressive when the rate of tax increases with एन इंक्रीज इन इनकम. ओके, जैसे जैसे आपकी इनकम बढ़ेगी वैसे वैसे टैक्स की रेट भी बढ़ती जाएगी. दैट टैक्स इज नोन एज प्रोग्रेसिव टैक्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ योर अर्निंग इज बिटवीन 2 lakh to 5 lakh, द टैक्स रेट इज 10%. एंड इफ इट इज़ अ प्रोग्रेसिव टैक्स देन whatever income you are gaining above 5 lakh to 10 lakh, you will have to pay more than 10%, suppose 15%. Okay, so as your income is increasing, the tax rate is also increasing. It is known as progressive tax. Clear beta? Second one is regressive tax. A tax is said to be regressive when it causes a greater real burden on the poor than rich. Okay, what does it mean? What happens in regressive tax? The tax rate is same. Okay, and when the tax rate is same on rich and poor, then poor will get more suffer. Okay, suppose tax rate is 10% and a person is earning rupees 1 lakh per month, then he will have to pay rupees 10,000 as a tax, but still he or she has been left with rupees 90,000 for his survival. But suppose a person is earning 10,000, okay, and he has to pay 10% tax, that is rupees 1,000. 10% of 10,000 is rupees 1,000, so he is left only 9,000. Okay, so here we can say that if type of tax is regressive, in that case the burden is on poor section. Okay beta, I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.